Today's quick repair shows how to replace a burnt-out fridge light bulb safely in under 5 minutes. You'll need a replacement bulb, a small screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth. Unplug the fridge before starting. Gently remove the light cover, twist out the old bulb, and screw in the new one until snug securely. Reattach the cover, wipe fingerprints, then plug the fridge back in and test the brightness right away. Share your fast fixes in the comments and suggest other real-world tasks you want explained in future shorts.